still can hear his angry voice screaming at the crowd. Then someone said, "There comes Jesus." I scarce believed my eyes. A man so badly beaten, he barely looked alive. Blood flowed from his body, from the thorns upon his brow, running down the cross and falling to the ground. I watched him